This 2016 Newmar Ventana 3709 is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features smoke detector, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, air conditioning, microwave, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2016 Newmar Ventana 3709 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a 340 HP Cummins ISB diesel engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.